Kumar Singh. Today I am going to teach you about representation of rational numbers on number line. Suppose you have to represent 22 by 7 on number line. 22 by 7 is improper fraction. First of all, convert it into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction will be 3 upon 1 by 7, means 3 plus 1 by 7. It is greater than 3, but it is less than 4, and 22 by 7 is a positive rational number. You are seeing in the figure that all positive rational numbers lie on the right hand side of 0, and negative rational numbers lies on the left hand side of 0. It is 3 upon 1 by 7, 3 plus 1 by 7. It means it will lie between 3 and 4. What is in the denominator? 7. So in between 3 and 4, you will divide it into 7 equal parts, and the first part will be, which I have encircled in the figure, is 3 upon 1 by 7, that is 22 by 7. One more example I am giving you. Represent 36 by minus 5 on number line. First of all, we shall convert it into standard form. If you are converting it in standard form, it will be minus 36 by 5. In the denominator, minus was there, which will go to in the numerator, and minus 36 by 5, when you convert it into mixed fraction, it will be minus 7 upon 1 by 5. So earlier I have told you that all negative rational numbers will lie on the left hand side of 0. It will lie between minus 7 and minus 8. What is in the denominator? 5. So in between minus 7 and minus 8, we will divide 5 equal parts, and the first part, which I have encircled here, will be minus 36 by 5. Now another topic, to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Suppose the example is that you have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. You have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 can be written as minus 12 by 6, and minus 1 can be written as minus 6 by 6. We have to change in a such way that denominator should be same. So here, see here, hence 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 are minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, and minus 8 by 6, and minus 7 by 6. Second part, find 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. First of all, we shall find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now we shall take a greater multiple of 15. I have taken here third multiple of 15. Third multiple of 15 is 45. Now we will make the common denominator 45 in minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Minus 4 by 5, if we are making denominator 45, so 45 divided by 5, it is 9. If you are multiplying 9 to the denominator, naturally you have to multiply 9 to the numerator also. It will be minus 36 by 45. Minus 2 by 3, we have to make the denominator 45. 45 divided by 3, it will be 15. 3 multiplied by 15 is 45. If you are multiplying denominator with 15, naturally you have to multiply numerator with also 15. It will be minus 30 by 45. Now see here, in between minus 36 by 45 and minus 30 by 45, 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are minus 31 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 34 by 45 and minus 35 by 45. Thank you.